Alright, what is going on? We are back with another video. We're giving you guys the game. This is what we're having this week for our meals. Vegan, high protein as usual. Today, we are having falafel burgers. Alright, here's the final product of the falafel burger. Some sweet potato fries. Looking banging. What's that, the pesto sauce?
Yep.
Is there anything on the bottom there that we're missing?
There's a roasted red pepper hummus on the bottom.
Oh, the hummus is on the bottom. Yeah, there it is. All right. Can't wait to smash it. As you can see, we got Dave's Killer Bread Buns. Because I look like that guy. Yeah, I do. I'm jacked like him. And, yeah, so we got some garbanzo beans here. Those are going in the burgers, I'm assuming.
Yes. Yeah, so the burger is going to be chickpeas, of course, some onion, garlic, some parsley, carrots, a bunch of spices, and then some chickpea flour to kind of bind it all together. And so we'll cook those up. That'll be the burger. And then we're going to be making a roasted red pepper hummus with it. So that's where the pepper will come into, as well as the lemon. And then another thing of chickpeas will be used in the hummus, as well as some tahini, which we already have in the fridge. And we'll also be making a quick little pesto as well with the basil, some walnuts, some more lemon, and a little bit of olive oil.
Awesome. Straightforward. Healthy, no processed foods. None of that fake meat.
Nope.
Clean eating. All right, on to the next one. Alrighty, meal number 2 for the week. This is an on-the-road meal for us. I have to go to a competition out of town, so we're going to have this for lunch and dinner. And this is buffalo chickpea salad. Here's our little meal for the road. Chickpea salad with some coleslaw. It's buffalo chickpea salad. Super good. Gotta love it. One of our go-tos for when we're on the road. Quick, easy, simple. Go ahead and explain what's in it.
Yeah, so this one's pretty straightforward. It's gonna be mash up some chickpeas, cut up some onion, bell pepper, garlic, and then we're gonna mix that together with some buffalo sauce, a little bit of plain vegan yogurt. It's a different brand than we normally get. Yeah, this isn't what we normally get, but that's okay. But figured we could try it, and it's not a huge thing because we don't normally use a lot of the plain yogurt, so we'll see if we like it. And then, of course, a bunch of seasonings in there as well.
Celery.
And this one is made with like a little bit of like a coleslaw-esque type thing. So that's going to be made from some chopped up celery, our shredded cabbage, a little bit more of the yogurt, and then some nutritional yeast and some spices.
High protein.
Yep. Super easy.
B vitamins in that nutritional yeast.
Yep.
Eating clean on the road. It's how we like to do it. Simple, easy. This is one that I highly recommend because it's quick and easy.
You don't have to cook anything.
Don't have to cook anything. Alrighty, moving on to meal number 3. We have some...
It's going to be butter chicken meatballs. So it's going to be...
No fake meat.
No fake meat.
Our butter chicken meatballs. Some homemade vegan meat, baby. What's in there?
Black beans and millet is the base. Some shallots, garlic, herbs.
Over some rice.
Yep.
What a beauty.
It's going to be a spoof on like the Indian butter chicken dish, but with meatballs made out of black beans and some cooked millet. I think the recipe actually calls for quinoa, but I can't eat quinoa.
Yeah, quinoa upsets your stomach for some reason, which deeply upsets me because I love quinoa and it's so healthy for you. That's alright. We'll figure a system out where I can get my quinoa still.
So we'll be making the meatballs with the millet instead, and then we'll be adding some fresh herbs into there, some cilantro, mint, some shallots.
I was like, what is this?
A shallot.
Thank you. I'm getting educated with you guys.
And then some garlic in there, and then you kind of process that up, roll it into your meatballs, and then the sauce is going to be tomato based with some onion, a little bit of almond milk, bunch of spices, and we'll serve it up with some basmati rice. Only way to do Indian
dishes. Yeah, you need basmati rice with Indian dishes. That is a certainty. Definitely. All right. Moving on, meal number 4. This is one of our Instapot recipes. Making it super easy on ourselves because this day we are extremely busy. 2 to 3 times a week, we're super busy, so we rely on the Instapot to cook for us. This one I requested. Every week, Chrissy's always like, what do you want to have this week? And I'm like, I have no idea. So I was like, this week I'm going to have an idea. And I wanted some gumbo, Louisiana-style gumbo. As requested, I got my gumbo. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Lovely. And, of course, you need some okra in a gumbo.
Yep.
Right? I'm going to let her go ahead and take us through.
Yeah.
How do we accomplish some gumbo?
Of course. So the base, like all of my recipes, is going to start with some onion and garlic, of course.
Yeah.
Some bell pepper, okra, like he mentioned, of course. Some diced fire roasted tomatoes. And then the base of this is going to be red lentils. Super high protein. And what's nice about the red lentils is when they get cooked down, they kind of like
mash up.
They mash up. So it's going to form like a really nice thick consistency.
And they taste super peppery and good. Yeah. I love red lentils. I really do. And they have more protein than meat.
That's true. And the other thing that we have shown here, so this meal requires you to make a roux, which is made from melted butter and some flour. So this is the plant-based butter that we like to get. It's the Earth Balance original kind.
Yep, it's one of
we don't use it super often, but when we do, this is the stuff we get.
Yeah, then, we typically cook with like oil, olive oil or avocado oil, but once in a while we use butter, pancakes or whatever we decide to have with it, but usually lasts us a few months, so.
Yep.
Using it for that. All right, moving on. All right, meal number 5, we got roasted sweet potato and cauliflower tacos. Here's that roasted cauliflower and sweet potato taco bowl. Oh yeah, that cashew cheese right here. You know it's high protein. And Chrissy did indeed make the guac as we see. Yep. Love it. Apparently we got some black beans in there as well. Of
course.
So I could probably describe this one based on the ingredients. Let's see if I can. So we're going to have some sweet potatoes, some cauliflower, a little bit of lime juice, some black beans, avocado on top, and some chipotle peppers diced up in there. All right, now what am I missing?
All right, well, you're pretty close, yeah. So the sweet potatoes and cauliflower will be roasted. Black beans, we're gonna heat up on the stove with some corn. And then, depending on how I'm feeling that particular day, I might make some guac with the avocados. I might not, we'll see. That's where the lime juice will come into play.
Typically she does do the guac.
I typically do, yeah. And then the chipotle peppers are actually for a sauce. It's like this smoky, like chipotle sauce, which will be made with cashews and then some of these chipotle peppers.
Awesome. So they're not going on the taco, they're going in a sauce that goes in the taco.
Yep.
That's what I like to hear. So that was our meal number 5. Moving on. All right, meal number 6. We got a Thai curry ramen. All right, fancy with the chopsticks. We got our Thai curry ramen. Let's see. Can I do it? I can do it. Oh, yeah. What about with the... Oh, yeah. Baby didn't think I could use chopsticks. I can use chopsticks. I'm cultured. Let's hear it. Live and direct. How do we accomplish some Thai curry ramen the healthy vegan way?
Yeah, so this one's going to be another Instant Pot recipe. This one's actually super easy to do in the Instant Pot. So chop up all of our vegetables, including onion, bell pepper, some zucchini, and some broccoli. And then the sauce of it is gonna be coconut milk, some
I was trying to break off and eat it, but I couldn't.
Some Thai red curry paste, some lime juice, and then we'll cut up some green onions on top. These are our ramen noodles. And then the protein for this one's actually gonna be frozen edamame, which is in the freezer. We don't have it out here because it needs to stay frozen.
I remember this one.
Yes.
Very good. Definitely very good. I'm excited. We're going to have another banger of a week. I feel like every week's a banger, though. Oh yeah, it is.
Alright.
As Juno's acknowledging. Every week is a banger. She knows. Even she knows. Moving on.
One more.
Alright, last meal closing out the week strong. We got some broccoli cheddar soup. Oh yeah, this is that Panera experience right here. It's that broccoli cheddar soup. Except for this shit don't be making you fat. What's in here?
So the base is cashews and chickpeas.
Oh yeah.
Almond milk, nutritional yeast, roasted red pepper, and roasted garlic.
Yeah, you hear that? High protein, baby. Not that nasty shit you be getting at Panera. I see cashews on the table, so I already know it's going to be high protein because Missy Christie does her job of making sure that we are fed with the most delicious, nutritious, high protein food on the planet. And if you want to learn, go ahead and give us a subscribe. Click through our past videos. We are leaving recipes in the description. So if you are interested in any of these meals, take a look at them. Try them out because I promise they will blow your mind. All right, getting right into it. What do we have for our base for the chocolate?
All right.
For the cheddar broccoli soup.
Yes. So this one is going to be a really fun one to make. So we're going to do some roasted red pepper and roasted garlic in the oven. And then some of the broccoli will be like oven roasted, so it's kind of got like a nice char on it.
Nice.
And some of it will be boiled, so we're going to have like a little bit of both textures in there.
Awesome.
And then the actual like liquidy part of it is going to be made from boiled chickpeas, cashews mixed with some nutritional yeast, some lemon juice, along with the roasted garlic and red pepper.
For the cheesiness, nutritional yeast is key. You need to have that in your life if you haven't tried it. I'm sure you have if you're watching these videos, but if you're new to the vegan game, nutritional yeast is going to save your day.
Yep.
And as you have already seen all the presentations on these meals, they look so beautiful, and they are just as delicious as they look. So give them a try. Give us a subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, let us know if you tried anything or if anything looks good to you. And we will see you next week. We're trying to stay consistent out here, giving you the game. Till next time.